Good day. We are looking at the demarcation for the 2025 March test, Year 2 for Electrical Technology. In your workbooks, you'll find Health and Safety, page 6 to 10, First Aid on page 11 to 15, and Tools on page 16 to 37. Now let's look at the workbooks. On page 6, you'll find Health and Safety, starts there. You go through all of this. You go to, on page 7, you go to PPE. Make sure you understand what each PPE is used for, how to protect yourself. This carries on, page 10. 9, 10, up to there. Alright, then, the next thing that is important is fire extinguisher. Make sure you know what fire extinguisher to use for what types of fire, especially in the electrical workshop environment. HIV, make sure you know how to protect yourself when you come across that. On page 12, basic first aid, make sure you know the components that must go into a first aid kit at the bottom of page 12 and the top of page 13. Then we will be looking at tools. That starts on page 17. There's a lot of different tools that we use in electrical. Make sure you know the name of the tool and the usage of the tool. This carries on all the way up to page 37. You'll find all the different tools there and the explanation of what they are used for. And then also remember the power tools that we discussed in class. That is not in this book, but you all got that information in your books. So make sure you understand all of that, and then you will do well in the test. All of the best and good luck.